everyone. I am Ayesha
And I am Mariam.
Today we are going to unbox 3-in-1 Solor Kit robot.
So let's start it.
Before we start it, we need a cutter, a screwdriver, a tweezer,
And we also need a scissor and a permanent marker.
Now let's start it. This is the principal part fitting. And this is the solder and the stickers. Stickers including in all the things.
So this is the instruction book that we need. So let's start it.
Now we have put all the parts into the category so that we can make the robot easily.
Thank you.